Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the Monica web extension onto Google Chrome. So first thing we're going to do is open up Google Chrome and type on our URL bar monica.im. This should take you to the landing page for the Monica app, and all we have to do is click on add to Chrome and it should redirect you to the Chrome web store. So here you can click on add to Chrome again and it should show you a pop-up for asking for permission to add the extension. So let's go ahead and click that, and within a few minutes or seconds it should be added to Chrome. So as you can see here, you can check the progress in the downloads window. Right now it's currently installing or adding to Chrome, and it shouldn't take much longer. There we go, and on your first install it should automatically redirect you to the login page, and right now I'm just going to continue with my Gmail account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in through Gmail like how I would with any other website or application, and here we should be able to see the landing page. So if you're not planning on using a premium account, you can go ahead and click on skip here at the top right. So once that's done, you should be able to see the Monica main interface, the main UI. So here with the main Monica UI, you can choose the different language models you'd like to use, along with some other features that we'll get around to discussing in the future. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.